Bujuga Kanawi and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today I'm going to share 4 words for tobacco. In Ojibwe, one word for tobacco is Asemaa. It's probably the most common word that you'll hear. They'll use that for store-bought tobacco or any kind of major tobacco offering. The meaning of the word, us, in Asemaa, the AS part, actually refers to putting something down because often the tobacco offering is placed on a rock, in the water, by a tree. Another word that you'll often hear for tobacco is applicative, and applicative is actually the inner bark of red willow. In this area, we're kind of beyond the growing range for the Virginia leaf tobacco, and that's what a lot of people used for the tobacco. By the way, it's nice because if you have a Clean Indoor Air Act or a tobacco-free school zone, you can still use tobacco to honor the cultural practice, even in spaces like that. Applicative. And then if you mix your applicative with other plants, the word for a mixture in Ojibwe is geniginig. Geniginig is something that's mixed, and it's where you get the English word kinnikinnick from. Geniginig. And then one other word you might hear for tobacco is beendaakujigan. And beendaakujigan is a tobacco offering, usually that is smoked, and it really has the beaned part because they'll send the tobacco swirling around the earth and up into the Great Spirit's Lodge. So it has the same root as beendagay. So you're sending your offering in. Asemaa, applicative, geniginig, and beendaakujigan. Miigwech. Miigwech, wagosh, asemaakaazh.
Gijigukwe and Digu.
And that was
Ojibwe word of the day.
Miigwech.